Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joya and you are watching my channel Joy Tech. Apple has released its new iOS 16.2 beta 1 for its beta users. So let's find out what's new in that new update. Firstly, I will tell you how you can get it at your devices if you don't install this update at your device. So stay tuned and watch this full video, and after that you will all know how to get it. Firstly, go to your settings, scroll it up, tap at Journal, tap at Software Update. Appears on screen, you can see iOS 16.2. I have already installed this software at my device, but if you still don't get this option at your devices, then go back, open your default Safari browser, and in the search bar type here beta.apple.com. Appears on screen, you can see Apple Beta Software Program. If you are new at this site, just go with sign up option, and if you already have a member, just go with sign in option. So after getting your update profile from here, go back, open your settings, scroll it up, tap at General, again tap at Software Update. Now appears on screen, you can see iOS 16.2 developer beta is available for download and install. In this beta version of iOS 16.2 contains with bug fix and improvements, and it is also have a new Apple app called Freeform. After installing this software on your device, appears on screen, you can see Freeform. When you open the app, you will get the interface like this. To Freeform, get creative, build your board, collaborate with your others. Now tap at continue. Appears on screen, you can see at the bottom. Insert from link, scan, camera, photos and videos. Second option is select your pencil mode. You can also a multiple color in this. You can also a text in there. Appears on screen, you can see plenty of shapes are available for your new projects. It also have a sheet board. Double tap to enter text. Now you can also share it to your friends. Sign in an iCloud. Appears on screen, you can see Freeform. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.